Dear friends of Juvent, my name is Giacomo Bellani from Italy, and you might know me if you follow this channel. I am a clinician intensivist, and I'm quite interested in respiratory failure and mechanical ventilation. So that's the reason why I decided to open up this YouTube channel. But today I would like to talk to you about another project I've been working on the last few months. Because in the recent years I've had the opportunity, the good luck of being able to speak at several medical conferences, and I decided that probably it was worth trying and collecting those talks and those material into a book, and this is what I produced. So this book is not certainly a manual, it's not a guideline, it's not a handbook, it's what the title says. It's the transcription of, I shall say, 17, 18 talks I gave over the last year on topics that go from non-invasive ventilation to prone positioning to PEEP setting and assisted ventilation. And there are slides in it, my slides. The book tries to bring together more the, let's say, theoretical aspects of the talk and also the practical aspects. Sometimes maybe you might be disagreeing with what I say. Sometimes I report genuinely my opinions, and even in this case it could be, I think, good food for thought and a little bit of a let's say, challenging of what is the daily thinking. So if you're interested, down here in the comment you can find a link to the landing page, and the book can be found on Amazon on hardcover or a paperback version. And honestly, I would love to hear your feedbacks. You'll find an email address in the book, and your feedbacks will be more than welcome. Thank you so much. Bye.